hear the drums in the distance. I can feel the fear, the resistance. Everything can change in an instant.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. I'm just moving the van forward because there's not enough room back there. Pulled it back because we needed to move some stuff up front. Started just fine. Very happy with this van so far. Pop it forward a couple inches because now we got enough room back there. We should be fine. Let's go get some stuff done. Yes. All of the paint is chipped. I have to go over it all. Got all these marks to do. Front's bad too. Got some chips in it. The roof's bad. Lots of chip marks to paint up. Lots of areas to cover up. Oh my goodness. Look at this. All this work to do. And I'm excited to do it. I can't wait to do it. I can't wait to dive into this van. Can't wait to get it started. It's going to be super exciting to get this thing ready to go and on the road. I'm just going to lock it. We're going to clean that all up. We're going to get it all sanded up and we're going to prime it. We got some Rust-Oleum. I'm going to get it all taken care of. So after my big long trip to Ottawa and back, I decided it was time to do my brakes and rotors all the way around, front and back. I noticed one of my back brakes was starting to grind metal to metal, which was not a done deal. It just started, so I decided, I'm just gonna go pick up some new brakes and rotors and get them done. So I picked them up, got everything ready to go, and then a kitty decided to come and visit me. Such a beautiful little black cat that's always been just coming around. He's very, very friendly. He just loves to hang around and play. So I pulled out my tires and got to work, pulled out all my tools and got my torque wrench, and we decided to get a new jack for when I start working on the truck and the van. I needed something more than a 2-ton jack, because I noticed when I used my little blue jack to do the truck, the last time it was just barely enough capacity to put the truck in the air. So we decided to get a 3-ton jack, and I figured, well, see if it'll fit under the car, which it does, because it's not fully loaded with all my camping gear, of course. And then when I got to the driver's side, I actually dug a huge gash in my thumb, and it ended up having to stop, wash my hand, and decided to super glue my thumb shut because I didn't feel like driving 25 minutes to the hospital for them to just super glue it shut. So we put some super glue on my thumb, got it all fixed up. Once that was all dried up, we decided to get the second tire finished up. The bolt broke holding the rotor to the hub. It took me over an hour with my mom's help because I was literally bleeding, and finally got it to stop, got the super glue on there. Anyways, we broke the bolt off and I finally got the rotor off, and apparently it's just caused, as you can see, I had a lot of troubles with this one bolt. It was seized. I ended up putting a bunch of anti-seize on all of the bolts, which I recommend doing on all of your stuff like this, is putting anti-seize, except for your lug nuts. You don't want to put anti-seize on your lug nuts because of some sort of anyways, I looked it up. You're not supposed to put anti-seize on your lug nuts, just like your brake assemblies and your suspension components, things like that.
A few minutes later.
Once I got that all together, everything went pretty smoothly. I do have a brake kit piston pusher thing. It was pretty cheap on Amazon, which is pretty handy. Oh, by the way, I'm no mechanic. I have literally no experience, but I do have some experience doing these brakes on this car and my old car. So I figure I'm gonna save myself, $800-900 or more. Could be like $1,200 at this point because I'm doing all 4 tires. And then we're gonna put my summer tires on the car.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. Even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pain. Pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored of killing me?
Yeah. I take a cold hard look at the world now. Hold my hand out, got a plan now. I'ma help be the change cause I can now. Here I stand now, take my hand now. No pain, no gain, no shame. Work hard, play hard, okay. I think I get it now, don't wanna let them down. I'ma take the ground and speak my mind out loud. Here I go, proud of my notes. Teach them what I wrote, teach them all the hope. Keep them on the road to the dream. All I need is a team, build your own self-esteem. You can do anything, prove everything. Say what you mean and believe in your dream. Find that thing that you love, that you really wanna be. And don't give up till you've given absolutely everything. Yeah. Give me a chance now to prove that you're something. In your own head, all these thoughts you're confronting. We've all been there when you feel like you're nothing. Shut that shit down, crush those thoughts and just trust me.
Just heading out on a break-in run on my new brakes. They're rubbing pretty hard. They're actually braking the car, like, they're slowing the car down, but I mean, it's gonna take a few hundred kilometers for them to see properly. So I wanted to get out here and just do my first initial brake test. The internet says to go up to 60 miles per hour and then slow down to 20 and do this 8 to 10 times and then drive at 60 miles per hour for a good 10 minutes to cool down the brakes. Get out of town a little bit and start applying the brakes, not supremely firm, but I can already feel that they're doing much better. I feel amazing. Lots of pressure, no air gaps, no foot to the floor, it's just firm. Do it 6 more times. Color done. We're gonna change the tires on the truck. We're gonna put the summer tires on. Well, the non-ice tires on, anyways. We're gonna get that all tied up. We'll torque spec those tires down for the truck, and we will catch you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry I haven't posted anything recently. I got my two teeth pulled, and I took a week off, and I thought I'd just, chillax. It rained. I cut my thumb open. Took 2 days to get the brakes done because of some bolts that were stubborn. I put some anti-seize on there. Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you guys later. We'll probably get out here in nature here pretty soon. We'll make a camping trip. We'll make a video of it. We'll have some fun here. Get this bathroom all tied up and ready to go. We'll see you guys later. If you guys like this, remember to check the videos here and here. Subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit the bell notification icon. Remember to like the video if you guys liked it. It wasn't really much of a how-to video. So it was just a, hey, look, I'm changing brakes. I'm putting new disc brakes and stuff, rotors in the car. Come along for the ride.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you